Xavier, Jordan.
Hey, I remember all them nights we shared. You was the greatest, wish you made it, cause I need you here. Brother fighting a 9-1 and I can't post his bail. I just can't take it, aggravated, man, this shit is real. This shit is real. I'm like, Lord, why she ain't make it and why did you have to take her? Love that lady like my mother, we had a solid foundation. Made her smile, she made me smile, so that's why I call her the greatest. Like down when the funeral came, so I'm sorry I didn't make it. I'm like, no, Lord, if you hear me, can you answer? Cause I really need to know why there's no cure to this thing, cancer. Killing people left and right. Grams, I need you back in my life. Do whatever to see your face again. Grandma, this just ain't right. Ain't gon' lie, sometimes I think about taking away my life, but my sisters still need me here. I'm the only man in their life. Going to jail at 17, shit, it definitely came with a price. I know I wasn't there to support you when everything wasn't right, but I love you, ain't no secrets here. I need you here so I can hug you, hear you breathe again. I'm shedding tears, I got a baby on the way right now. I can feel your smile when I look up, I know you looking down. I know you proud, Danny finally got to go to trial. You know the girls, they super grown, all of them ballin' now. We all miss you, feel your presence when you come around. Cause your spirit heavy and them blessings, they keep coming down. They coming down. Hey, I remember all them nights we shared. You was the greatest, wish you made it, cause I need you here. Brother fighting a 9-1 and I can't post his bail. I just can't take it, aggravated, man, this shit is real. This shit is real. Couldn't believe it when I heard it, but the question is, was it worth it? Now you facing life in prison, crackers give you numbers on jerseys, and your daughter getting older. No daddy, and it got me hurting, and I know we feel the same pain. Grandma gone, it's hard to stay focused. If the case don't end up beat, bro, I'm here, and I know you know it. When I came up there to see you, it was a lot of tears I was holding. I was trying to stand strong, keep the image up in the oldest. Man, this shit is all bad, got no love, my heart didn't explode it. So just know you was my nigga, and I swear you one of the coldest. When it came to playing with pistols, you always kept your shit loaded. Mama doing good, clean, looking beautiful, glad she's sober. Girls doing real good, know it's been a while since they wrote you, but just know they all love you and never put one above you. Know I miss you and I love you when someone took that gun from you. We all know that you a hitter, if we call you gon' come up running. Remember nights when we was tweaking, getting drunk and super blunted. Now them times done changed, and I never changed, I'm still the same. Hope you can feel my pain. Could you feel my pain? Hey, I remember all them nights we shared. You was the greatest, wish you made it, cause I need you here. Brother fighting a 9-1 and I can't post his bail. I just can't take it, aggravated, man, this shit is real. This shit is real. Shooters with 30s and coolers, them bullets go through you and make you go poof. I am the realest, I know that you feel it. The niggas be hating, just tell me the truth. She is not wife, bitch, she want me to pipe, but only one night of that bitch to get loose. Bitches be jocking, the police be watching, they trying to. Boy, I got money, I hope you come try me. My niggas are down you if you make a move. Niggas be like